Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be here today to talk about a very important topic. Today's presentation is titled Comprehensive Modern Data Security with Microsoft Purview. We'll explore how this powerful solution offers unified protection, adaptive threat management, and simplified compliance to help you navigate today's evolving cyber risks. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key features and strategies to strengthen your data security. Let's get started. Welcome to our second slide, where we delve into the modern data security risks that organizations face today. As we explore comprehensive data security with Microsoft Purview, it's important to understand how AI plays a dual role in this landscape. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can both bolster our defenses and introduce new vulnerabilities. It helps us detect threats more quickly, but at the same time, cybercriminals are also leveraging AI for their malicious activities. Now, let's talk about insider threats. These are threats originating from within the organization, and they have grown significantly, a 47% increase over just 2 years. Today, insider threats now account for about 30% of all data breaches, which underscores how critical it is to have robust internal security measures. Moving on to the bigger picture, in 2023 alone, there were over 3,200 reported data breaches worldwide. That's a staggering number, showing us just how pervasive these security incidents are. And looking ahead, the projected global costs of cybercrime are expected to reach a staggering $10.5 trillion by 2025. All of this highlights the urgent need for modern, comprehensive security solutions. It's clear that as threats evolve and grow more sophisticated, so must our defenses. Let's talk about why traditional security tools are falling short in today's landscape. First, these older tools often struggle to give us a clear, comprehensive view across all our environments. As organizations adopt cloud services and allow personal devices, critical data can end up being vulnerable if it's not properly monitored everywhere. Visibility becomes a real challenge. Slow response times and outdated detection methods can leave us exposed, giving attackers an opportunity to exploit weaknesses before we even realize there's a problem. Traditional solutions also tend to be slow to adapt to emerging threats, which is a big risk in the fast-moving world of cybersecurity. Another issue is fragmentation. Many organizations rely on multiple vendors for different security solutions, which can lead to inconsistent rules and, ultimately, protection gaps. This fragmentation not only increases complexity, but also raises costs, making it harder to keep everything secure effectively. Finally, these older tools generate tons of alerts, but many of them are false alarms or miss new, sophisticated attack methods altogether. Because they lack full visibility, especially across cloud apps and personal devices, they often leave critical data unprotected. So, in essence, these traditional tools just aren't enough to meet the demands of modern security challenges. When we talk about the complexity of modern data security, it's clear that organizations face significant challenges without a unified approach. Essentially, without having complete visibility and control over data, it becomes very difficult to track or prevent data leaks effectively. This lack of oversight increases the risk that sensitive information could be compromised, which is a major concern for any organization. Now, for smaller IT teams, the situation can be even more challenging. They often struggle to manage multiple disconnected tools, which wastes valuable time and resources. Instead of focusing on critical threat mitigation, they spend a lot of effort coordinating between different vendors and solutions, which isn't efficient at all. Another key point is the inconsistency in security controls across IT and security teams. When controls aren't aligned, gaps appear, and compliance becomes harder to achieve. This inconsistency weakens the overall security posture of the organization, making it more vulnerable to threats. Finally, we need to consider blind spots created by Shadow IT and Bring Your Own Device policies. These practices introduce areas that traditional tools can't monitor effectively. Such blind spots pose serious risks because they can be exploited by malicious actors or lead to data leaks without anyone noticing. All of these points highlight why a comprehensive, unified approach to data security is so crucial in today's complex environment. Let's take a closer look at Microsoft Purview and how it provides unified data protection. Essentially, it offers comprehensive modern data security that works seamlessly across devices, cloud services, and applications. This broad coverage is crucial because it helps organizations maintain strong security measures no matter where their data is stored or accessed. By using Purview, there's no need to juggle multiple tools, which can often create security gaps and complicate management. Instead, it simplifies everything, making security easier to handle and improving operational efficiency. What's really powerful about Purview is how it integrates key capabilities like information protection, data loss prevention, insider risk management, and adaptive security. These features work together to ensure your data stays protected across different environments, offering a truly comprehensive security solution. Finally, Purview provides a single, unified platform that protects data everywhere, whether it's on devices, in the cloud, or within applications. This unified approach allows organizations to see, control, and safeguard sensitive data consistently and effectively. It's all about ensuring that security is comprehensive, streamlined, and adaptable to your organization's needs. Now, let's look at how we can ensure comprehensive modern data security using Microsoft Purview. Sensitivity labels, like confidential or internal only, play a key role here. They provide clear instructions on how to handle different types of data, whether it's applying watermarks, encryption, or headers as needed. These labels help users understand exactly what is required to keep information secure. To make sure everyone understands and follows these policies, we have training tools in place. These tools are designed to reinforce compliance and foster a strong data security culture across your organization. When people know the rules and see their importance, security becomes an integral part of everyday work. But what if someone forgets to label data correctly? That's where machine learning comes in. Advanced AI techniques can detect sensitive content even if labels are missing. This helps maintain consistent protection across teams and applications, no matter who is handling the data. Microsoft Purview combines sensitivity labels with AI-powered classifiers. This means sensitive data can be automatically identified and protected without manual intervention. Labels like confidential or internal only guide users on how to handle data, whether that's adding watermarks, encrypting, or applying headers. In essence, this integrated approach ensures that sensitive information is protected automatically and consistently, supporting a robust data security strategy that adapts to your organization's needs. Let's take a closer look at the data loss prevention capabilities with Microsoft Purview. First, it offers comprehensive modern data security, providing full coverage and proactive blocking to help organizations identify and fix vulnerabilities before any data loss occurs. This proactive approach is crucial in reducing the risk of data breaches and strengthening overall security. Next, we have proactive vulnerability fixes. When risky actions happen, such as someone sharing credit card information or uploading private files to unauthorized locations, alerts are immediately sent to security teams. This rapid notification system allows for quick responses, helping to prevent potential data leaks before they escalate. Moving on, centralized rule management in the Purview Compliance Portal simplifies the enforcement of policies across all environments, including non-Microsoft applications. This unified approach reduces complexity, making it easier to stay compliant and manage security consistently across your entire organization. Finally, Purview's real-time monitoring of devices, browsers, networks, and cloud services ensures that sensitive data is protected at all times. By continuously watching for suspicious activities, the system helps prevent accidental or intentional leaks, keeping your most valuable data secure across all platforms. All these features together form a powerful, integrated approach to data security, aligned with our overall goal of safeguarding information in today's complex digital landscape. Let's take a closer look at how we can stop insider threats effectively with Microsoft Purview. The key here is adopting a comprehensive modern data security approach. This system offers a holistic view of insider risks, meaning it doesn't just look at one or two indicators, but provides an overall picture of potential threats. It combines cutting-edge technology with privacy considerations, so we can manage risks without compromising user trust. Privacy safeguards are essential. They ensure that while security teams get the insights they need, user confidentiality remains protected. This balance is crucial because it maintains trust while enhancing our security measures. Real-time alerts and incident dashboards play a vital role, enabling us to respond quickly to any suspicious activity. Whether it's a sudden spike in file downloads or odd access times, these tools help us investigate and act swiftly to mitigate risks before they escalate. And with AI-powered detection, we can identify unusual behaviors that might indicate insider threats, things like mass file downloads or odd access patterns. AI also monitors activity in generative AI applications, which can present unique security challenges. Altogether, this approach with Microsoft Purview ensures we're not just reacting to threats, but proactively managing and minimizing insider risks in a modern, privacy-conscious way. Now, let's look at how adaptive security helps us stay ahead of ever-changing threats. The key idea here is agility. With Microsoft Purview, we can implement comprehensive modern data security that adapts quickly to new and evolving attack techniques. This agility is crucial because attackers are constantly changing their tactics, and we need to be proactive rather than reactive. By being able to adapt swiftly, organizations can maintain a strong security posture that is always one step ahead. One of the ways this works is through controls that adjust in real time. For example, if suspicious activity is detected, access can be tightened or specific actions can be blocked immediately. This kind of real-time response helps us neutralize threats before they have a chance to cause damage. Another important aspect is automatic rule updates. These updates respond to emerging risks without us needing to manually intervene. So our protection is continuous and robust, even as new threats emerge. It reduces the burden on security teams while maintaining high security standards. And finally, Purview leverages AI and machine learning to make security controls even smarter. It can analyze user behavior, device information, and location data to dynamically adjust security measures. This ensures that our security measures are always aligned with the current context, providing a tailored and effective defense. This overall approach exemplifies how modern security isn't static. It's dynamic, responsive, and adaptive, which is essential for staying ahead in today's threat landscape. Let's take a closer look at the integrated security ecosystem with Microsoft Purview. This approach really strengthens our defenses and makes incident response much more streamlined. Essentially, it provides a robust framework for tackling security challenges effectively across our organization. One of the key features is strengthened defenses through role-based access. This means we can set detailed permissions so that only authorized users can view or manipulate sensitive data. It's a critical safeguard to ensure that confidential information remains protected from unauthorized access. Another important aspect is centralized control. By managing permissions and security settings from a single point, we reduce complexity and improve efficiency for our IT and security teams. This simplification helps us operate more smoothly and respond faster to any issues. Finally, Microsoft Purview integrates seamlessly with other tools like Defender, Sentinel, and various Microsoft security solutions. This integration creates a unified, comprehensive security approach across all platforms, ensuring that our defenses are cohesive and always working together. All of these elements combine to create a modern, effective security ecosystem that not only protects our data, but also streamlines our security operations. Let's look at some real-world examples that highlight the impact of Microsoft Purview. These case studies show how Purview can truly enhance security posture across different industries. For instance, a major financial group was able to cut their audit times by 40% thanks to Purview's automated data sorting capabilities. This not only sped up their processes, but also significantly improved their compliance management, making audits smoother and more efficient. In the healthcare sector, a large organization used Purview's data loss prevention features to reduce data leaks by half. They gained much better visibility and control over sensitive information, which is crucial for patient privacy and regulatory compliance. And then we have Rabobank, which moved from using fragmented DLP tools to adopting Microsoft Purview across the board. This transition resulted in zero data incidents and greatly improved privacy across their Microsoft 365 applications. These examples really demonstrate how Purview delivers comprehensive impact, improving security, boosting efficiency, and enhancing compliance, all while providing a better experience for users. This ties back to our overall message. Modern data security with Purview is powerful and adaptable across various real-world scenarios. Now, let's look at how Microsoft Purview makes compliance management easier and more effective. One of the key benefits is that organizations can save significant time and reduce manual work, which helps them stay prepared for the constantly evolving compliance landscape. This means businesses can focus more on their core operations without losing sight of compliance requirements. Another important aspect is enhanced efficiency and readiness. With multi-cloud support, you can govern data across multiple platforms like Azure, AWS, GCP, and Salesforce, ensuring consistent compliance no matter where your data resides. This cross-platform governance is crucial in today's diverse cloud environment. Additionally, centralized reporting and evidence management make audits much simpler. Instead of juggling multiple sources of information, everything is in one place, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during inspections and reduce audit complexity. Finally, Purview is designed to support a wide range of strict regulations, such as ISO, SOC, PCI DSS, GDPR, and HIPAA, thanks to built-in templates and automated compliance tasks. This comprehensive support helps organizations meet diverse regulatory requirements efficiently, reinforcing the overall goal of seamless, modern compliance management. Let's wrap up by highlighting how Microsoft Purview truly enhances organizational efficiency. It empowers your business to adapt quickly to the ever-changing security landscape, helping you stay ahead of emerging threats. Now is the perfect time to move beyond outdated tools that no longer meet modern needs. By adopting Microsoft Purview, you can better safeguard your data and maintain a competitive edge. One of the key benefits is that it consolidates data protection, risk management, and loss prevention into a single, unified platform. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces risks and boosts your business agility. In today's world, modern data security challenges require more than fragmented, old-fashioned solutions. Microsoft Purview offers intelligent, unified protection that adapts to new threats and simplifies compliance, giving you peace of mind. So, the message is clear. It's time to evolve and leverage this comprehensive platform to secure your data confidently and stay ahead in this dynamic environment.